Some of the most destructive insects are leaf-eating caterpillars and worms. If you battle these insects on your plants, you need to consider using Bonide's Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew insecticide. Found in an abandoned rum distillery on a Caribbean island, this widely used organic insecticide is highly effective on leaf-eating insects such as bagworms, loopers, tent caterpillars, gypsy moths, along with spider mites, thrips, leaf miners, and borers. Once ingested by the targeted pest, the pest stops feeding and dies within 48 hours. This approved for organic gardening product is easily mixed at 2 ounces per gallon of water for all labeled plant applications. Completely cover the plant's foliage and stems where the targeted insects are active for complete control. Repeat applications about 4 to 10 days apart may be needed to control an infestation of the targeted pest. Bonide's Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew is the go-to insecticide for organically controlling many insect pests on edibles to ornamentals. Go gardening with the Captain. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.